Another way to make your cowl neck. If you have not watched the first one, I have it on my channel. You can go and watch it. This is the second method, so please watch to the end. Remember to like the video, share please, and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. And if you are watching on Facebook, follow my account. If you are watching on TikTok, follow my account, okay, so that you can watch the full video. It's very easy to make. I am still sewing the dress. I've not finished sewing it, so just follow exactly what you are seeing here. If you don't comprehend everything on this video, by the time I upload the full video, I will explain better. Remember to share this video please. Have you liked the video? Don't forget. Thank you. You can see that I doubled the fabric. Yeah. Where are you watching from? Let us know in the comment section. So this is our cowl neck. It's so beautiful. So this one is 2-in-1 body landing. I'm going to turn it with the same fabric. Okay, it's so beautiful. You know, we have not sewn it. By the time I wear it, you see it's 2-in-1. This side is not equal. By the time I'm sewing the full video, you will see how we do it. And the shoulder, I'm still going to trim it. I'll use the back side to trim it. So this very place I will join it so that everything will be equal. This is the back side. I'm holding my hand now, so I will use the back side to trim the shoulder well. So this is what we have here. Have you liked the video? I will trim this place also. Subscribe to my channel so that you can watch the full video. Please help me share this video. Bye bye.